Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Avro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can create group chat on iPhone. So for that you have to go to your iPhone text messages. From here you will see on the top right corner icon. Tap on that and add some people that you want to create a group chat with. So I'm going to add 3 people from here. And then tap on the so send a message like hi and send it to them. So yeah, your group chat is created. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.